We'll guide you through how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm covering different ways you can do this, so make sure you watch this full video. So you may be in the case where you don't even have voice chat appearing in the top left here, or perhaps it is but it's not working. Don't worry, I'll cover them both. First of all, if it's not showing up in Roblox, then all we need to do is go and close it, and we need to head to our Roblox settings. So we can click on the gear or cog icon in the top right and click on settings. Then come over to the left and tap on privacy and content maturity. Now go and tap on communication and voice chat. And what you need to do is go and switch it on like so. If you don't have the voice chat option here, then what you need to do is come back to account info, make sure you've gone added and verified your phone number. Previously, I had gone and verified my age, which went and unlocked the setting for me. After you've unlocked it, go and have it switched on and go to a game. Now in the top left, you can go and see that mic option. And so what I can do is go and click on it to go and unmute myself, and it's now working. If it still isn't, then pause the game and you want to go and click on settings at the top. Scroll down until you go and see the option for input device, and you can go and click on the arrows and make sure you go and select the correct mic. I already had the right one selected. You can also go and adjust the output device so you can go and hear what other people are saying, and also try increasing the volume as well in Roblox by using this control here, and you can also go and increase it on your computer as well. So hopefully that goes and solves the problem and voice chat is now working.